How you doing? You right? Awesome along here. Here I am, out for the exercise with the thingy bob, and wow, it's so nice to be out. Be nicer to be with someone, but can't have everything, can you? Yeah, so here we are walking, doing my bit, my stick, and this is so nice. Oh, that's better. Shade. Thank you, shade. Go on, you have a play, I'll stay here. Yeah, go on. You right, Bob? You're happy? Happy you're allowed out? We've done our lockdown, haven't we? Freedom! This is that new thing I got. It's pretty good. It's not like if I jump up and down. I'm jumping up and down now, and it's not jumping up and down. It's awesome. You're alright, aren't you? I'm going back in the shade. Right, there we go. Well, I've applied for my press pass. National Union of Journalism, or journalists, should I say. And I've had a couple of emails back from the bloke who decides, and it's not been a no yet. I've just had to explain myself to him, so I gave him the full rundown, you know. And if I get a press pass, it's going to open a new door for me, and then I'll be able to get out and do stuff and meet new people. That'll be me. And then I can get me back. Oh dear. Just got to wait and see. I only done it yesterday. They say no news is good news, so we'll see what happens, shall we? What are you doing? Oh, she's just down there. You right, baby? She's loving it. What are you doing, baby girl? What are you doing? I'm allowed out. I can go out now. Okay, I'm still working on me. It's been hard for these last 3 months. Before the lockdown, I was doing Monday meeting people at a coffee morning. Wednesday I was going to go to the gym. Monday I was going to the gym. And Friday I done wheelchair basketball with Jacob. And all that's been stopped because of this COVID. And I think China should pay for this. They shouldn't be allowed to get away with this. It comes from them. And it's costing us billions. It's going to take a long time to get back. Everything was going right. Everything was right with the country. And then bang. At first I didn't take much notice of it. Not until I took Jacob out of school. That's when I thought, oh, this is serious. So yeah, we isolated for 12 weeks. We isolated for. I had to go out to the shops only once a week to Tesco's, but then I had to. I didn't have any choice in that. I had to do it. But let's hope it's gonna be ending soon, because this sucks, I tell you. I want to get me back, and from now on it's all about me, not anyone else, me. And I can't wait. Train going in the background, look at that. Whoa! Not been on a train for a long time. Since I had that red Suzuki. That's the last time I went on a train. You right, Bob? Should have brought some water for her, I think. She's alright though. Look, go closer. There we go.